welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa. In case you are new here, we're going to be cleaning up today. I have about 20 minutes to get my house tidied up before I head out to run some errands, and then it's also Saturday night, so my boyfriend and I are going to hang out, probably like ride bikes or something. But yeah, I got some tidying up to do. So let's just go ahead and get into it. We're going to be cleaning up my bedroom behind me, cleaning up my office, cleaning up the kitchen. Nothing too crazy, just tidying up really fast so that way when I come home later, I don't feel stressed out. so not a deep clean, but we're just gonna go run through the house real quick, see what we can get done. That way when I come back home later, I walk into a clean house and don't feel stressed out, because I hate that feeling, as I've mentioned multiple times on my channel. So let's go ahead and get started. I just got ready. That way, as soon as I'm done cleaning, I can go ahead and head out and enjoy my evening. So here's what we got going on in the kitchen. Just cleaning up. I went to the pool today, so I have my beach bag and stuff to put away. And yeah, just gonna, that's not too bad over here. Just want to tidy this stuff up, put away a few things, have some returns to do. Pretend like you didn't see that. That's horrible. But we have some laundry to do too, if we have time. And then we're also gonna tidy up my office really fast. So just have to put away some sheets, put away some stuff. Oh, I just got this, the Joanna Gaines Magnolia table. I'm so excited. I haven't had a chance to look through this yet, and I actually meant to bring this to the pool today to look at, but I forgot. But if you guys have this book, let me know what you thought of it so far. I'm excited. If nothing else, it's a really pretty looking book just to have around. But yeah, I got that at Costco. And then I also got this at Costco, this like Sherpa throw. Not like I need another blanket. I feel like I have 50 million blankets, but it was just too comfy and affordable to pass up. So doesn't look like Minnie's gonna be helping me out much. And if you're wondering what that is, that's my fluffy white rug. That's supposed to go right here, but I had it rolled up because the dogs like to pee on it, and they were in here with me while I was editing, so I rolled it up and put it to the side. So anyway, let me stop with this long-winded intro and get into cleaning. I know that's why y'all came here, so let's start and see how much we can get through.
Silent nights recalling you, a souvenir of what it could be. Pieces of my mind are yours. I forgot the parts I'm missing. I pretend that we are okay, like nothing's ever broken. And I pretend that we are dancing, like the nights are never
So this room's all done. Looks pretty good. That literally took me like 3 minutes. I don't know why I haven't just cleaned it up before, but yeah, everything looks pretty good. I wanted to ask you guys about these. Okay, so I grew up in the Northeast, and I feel like everybody puts candles in their window. Nobody really does it down south, but I found these ones and I do like them. They turn on when it's, you know, they run from dusk to dawn, but they require like, is it C batteries or D batteries? But these were, I got them at Marshall's, as you can see, but they were still pretty expensive, and they go through batteries so freaking quick. Let me know if you guys have another option, because I don't know, I feel like it would be a small fortune to keep those things running. Anyway, okay, let's move on to the next bedroom. Let's go, Min. Okay, another room down. Everything looks good. I still have a suitcase to unpack, but I just don't have time to do that right this second. So we're gonna move into the kitchen. We're gonna put away some of this stuff. I need to make a quick little side dish for tonight to bring over. That should only take a few minutes. Want to put away some of this. I have to return that stuff. I was doing a quick little workout, so I need to put away that. Just fluff up the pillows really quick and then we'll be done. So yeah, let's get into it. It's about 20 after 5 right now, so I'm hoping I can have this all wrapped up in the next 15 minutes and get out of here hopefully by 5:45, the absolute latest. So let's see how successful I am. I just want to clean all this stuff up. I hate coming home to dishes, but the reason that that happens is because I have to unload all this stuff. So anyway, you guys know the drill. You have a kitchen, you know what it's like.
I am here in the middle of nowhere. There is no there, it is cold there, but I am safe and I am warm. Although it's hard, I know I gotta keep up. No time to late, to drift away. I find my space, I spend my time down the rabbit hole again. And as I fall, I can feel the pain. You can't tell me where to go, so I don't know, I just go with the flow. I go with the flow. I'm falling up, I'm falling down, from the sky and from the ground. Up above just like below, and I don't know where I should go. 'Cause I'm stuck in limbo. I'm out to love, but I guess I deserved it. Trying to hide, to pass you by. I'm getting down, feeling fine. I'm light as air, no one can reach me. Lost in a dream, lost in between. Let's keep on flying, let's keep on breathing. I'm falling up, I'm falling down, from the sky and from the ground. Up above just like below, and I don't know where I should go. 'Cause I'm stuck in limbo. Cause I'm stuck in limbo. Cause I'm stuck in limbo.
Okay, so you guys just saw me mix up this little side. It's super easy. I've seen this all over Pinterest, and I posted about it on my Instagram stories the other day. So if you're not following me over there, it's just Nessa Bug Blogs. I'll have it linked down below. But I saw this all over Pinterest, and then somebody made it the other night, actually, was it last week? Yeah, I think it was last week at a friend's party, and it was so good, and I was so happy that she made it because now it's inspired me to make it. Basically, all you need is a cucumber, and I just slice it 4 ways. Like I slice it in half, and then I slice it in half again. A little bit of red onion, you don't need a ton of that. A little bit of, or a few of the little cherry tomatoes, or grape tomatoes. I had a couple of these avocados left over from Trader Joe's. These are like they call them the teeny tiny avocados. I just put one of those in there. And then the little mozzarella, the little fresh mozzarella balls. I also put some salt and some pepper, drizzled a tiny bit of olive oil, and then mixed it all together. And this is such a hit. Everybody loves this. So yeah, I'm just gonna bring it over in this little container situation. I'm running a little bit behind schedule. It is 5:47 and I just need to clean up 2 more things. I have to shut down my computer, but I'm like waiting for it to shut down. It takes forever to shut down. And yeah, let's try to get out of here in the next couple of minutes. I feel so bad. I don't want to leave you two. I don't want to leave you, but I'll be back soon. Okay? I'll be back soon. Who has to go outside? Okay, let's go outside. And as always, I hope y'all enjoyed this clean with me, and I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!